Okay, this week we start ALEKS, ALEKS, and I want to give you a how-to video on how to get into it. So it's two ways you can get into it. So you can click up here and you see the McGraw-Hill K through 12 single sign-in, sign-on, or you can go and you still have the same thing right here. So you can use either or, it takes you to the same place. But I use this one. Go ahead and click in it. All right, so you'll get this screen, hit Launch App, and then whatever class you have me for, it should pop up as intensive math. Okay, so I don't know if you have this screen, but let me click to get to where you're at or where you should be. So here's your screen. So if you have me for second period, you should click Launch. Okay, you have me for fourth period, click Launch. You have me for sixth period, you click Launch also. So this week you need to do your uh, diagnostic test, okay, just to see where you're at. And then you also have 6 topics with an hour worth of work. So you should have 6 topics turned in with 60 minutes and your diagnostic test completed. Okay. So again, all you gotta do is click the lunch button or whatever period you're in. Have any questions? Send me a quick email.